commercial. I don't know. What did I title this? I'm sorry, I don't even know what I titled this video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Beanie, with me, Erin Wells, and this is going to be a different type of video. People sent me product. Like, they emailed me, I was like, hey, want to send you a sample of stuff, can you test it out? And I'm like, free stuff?
Yes, I will sample it.
But I didn't think about it. No, girl, you not a beauty channel. You should have said no. But anyway, since I told them I would review it, I gotta review it, guys. I don't want to get sued, basically, and these were good products. So I promise you guys that next time I will say no, unless you like this type of stuff. A lot of women watch my channel, so if that's what you guys like, let me know. But if not, I promise next time it'll be cooking related. I just saw free stuff and said yes. All right, start the review. Okay, so the first product comes from this company. I believe it's Eliza. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. It's a 3-in-1 face cleansing paper. Now this is really, really cool. Like, first of all, it's so pretty, so cute, and you open it and it's paper sheets that you wash your face with. Forgive me for my nails. So it starts off as paper and you add some water. Oh, not that much, but the point is the paper, look at that, turns right into face wash. Let me really get it. Look at that, it just dissolves and you just wash your face. I actually washed my face with it this morning, every morning. I believe it came with 50 sheets and I've already used half of them. Love it. Okay, let me wash my hands. So this definitely does the job of taking off my makeup. It did leave my face a little dry, but it doesn't say it's moisturizing at all. That's not what it promotes. So you're definitely going to need a moisturizer after you wash your face with this. If you guys are interested in that product, I will definitely leave their information in the description box down below. The next products I was sent was from maybe Beula's or Bewley's, I'm not sure. They gave me the deep moisturizing and nourishing foot mask, and they also gave me the exfoliating foot peel mask. Y'all, let me see what, I'm gonna start with my favorite one. The foot mask is definitely my favorite. It gave you that so soft, you just put it on for like 15 or 20 minutes and you take it off and your feet are like incredibly moisturized and soft, and it smelled like a light, I wouldn't even say fragrance, but like that, I don't know. It has a very, very light scent that, I mean, a man or a woman would wear with no problem. Like, I love this. This foot mask, girl, it did what it was supposed to do, but it was creepy at the same time, because when I took it off, I was like, oh, my feet look the same. Okay, no big deal. The smell with this was not as pleasant. It wasn't like, whoo, but you wouldn't want to like smell it. It's kind of like that marker smell. Some people like it, some people don't. The next day, it looked like I was shedding a skin. Like, that's the point, but it just looks creepy. Like when you see a snake coming out of its skin.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, but it got the job done.
I would say within 4 days, I had a whole new foot. Am I gonna show you pictures? No, I'm not. I don't have the cutest feet, but this did what it was supposed to do. It was just a freaky process. It did not look cute. You could not wear sandals. It said to speed up the process to soak your feet. The next day, I didn't want to do it. I wanted to do what an average person would do with just washing, shower. Every time I got to shower, just it was crazy. So all the information for this company we linked down below as well. Both companies did assure me that they were both cruelty free and vegan, but I didn't do any external research myself, so that was something you guys gotta do. Yeah, that's me reviewing stuff. That's how I do a review. Oh, and I wasn't paid at all, so there's no point in me lying to y'all because they didn't pay me not a dime, okay?
But you can if you want to, and I'm still gonna tell the truth, but just with coins.
As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time in the kitchen.